Today at Coyote Classics, we're excited to check out and test drive this gorgeous big block Monte Carlo. I love that Mulsanne. Redline tires. This is a gorgeous color combination on this car.
It's great. 72,000, believed to be original miles. It is a numbers matching motor.
402 big block, right?
Yep. Get her? And the paint is just unbelievable on it.
Yeah, paint's gorgeous.
If you're looking for a show quality paint job with a beautiful car inside and out, this is it.
Yeah, sharp.
Factory air car, Dalton. Now the air compressor, the guy said, went bad. So he took the belt off in the last year. So I'm guessing air compressor, flush out the system, you'll probably be good to go again. I know the heater fan is up work. So, but power steering, power brakes, factory air, numbers matching big block, runs like a top. You're not going to find a better color.
Just how that hood shut as well.
Well, that's the 72,000 miles, Dave. It really is. It just makes a huge difference to find a solid original car to start with.
With the last Monte Carlos we've had, I forgot they didn't come in any other color but brown. We've had like three brown ones. Yeah, it's fun to see one in a different color. I forgot they made them in blue.
And we also have a 1970 blue with a white vinyl top coming in. Small block car, but very nice as well.
Yeah.
Not quite, won't be as nice as this one. Now, this is an absolute show quality car in my opinion on the paint. Fitment, back of the hood. What do you think of it, Brady? We got my son Brady here, the younger one today.
Yeah, it's a pretty car.
So, he just reaffirmed that it is a pretty car.
Good job, Brady.
Doesn't even need to be said.
That's why he makes the big bucks.
Yep. Well, hey, this is one of your first cars you checked in this summer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it checked out really nice. Love the red lines on it. You know what, this thing ran so good and was so quiet, we didn't even shut it off. You want to shut it off, Dee?
Yeah.
Back of the door lines up awesome. Looks like all our bottom chrome trim is still the original. So how I'd classify this is kind of a really nice survivor car with a brand new paint job. And the metallic in this paint just freaking dances, doesn't it?
That's a great color.
Back bumper looks good. All the back trim looks nice. Trunk lid fits excellent.
Another thing that kind of affirms that original mile, when I got in this to move it around, the seatbelt buzzer still works.
Yeah.
And so does the AM FM 8-track. That works as well. So it's kind of a spoiler alert. I was going to say it later, but look at the corners of the doors. Absolutely gorgeous restoration here as far as on the paint, on a rust-free original body. Headliner is gorgeous. Dome lights, beautiful and works good. All the door panels are great. Seats are excellent. Carpet, everything looks like it's been completely replaced and restored on the interior. And here's another thing. Look at the quality of paint in the door jambs, inside corners. Really don't need to even talk any further on that. Up and down the sides, laser straight. Driver's side's as nice as the passenger. Like I said, all that bottom trim really is nice, but it's just 40 years old. You can kind of see it's just scuffed a little bit.
The thing I love about these Montes is they're so comfortable. They're a big boy car. I mean, guys my size can get in them and drive them super comfortably. They're still sporty, especially when you got a big block under the hood.
Yeah.
They're just sharp.
Sounds good, looks good.
This one's got tilt too, so.
It's really a big boy car.
Yes, it is.
Again, corner of the door is great. Door panels all been replaced, gorgeous. Seats don't have any wear in them. Got the correct seat belts for 3 in the back, 3 in the front. It's really nice. Starts right up nice. 72,987 miles.
Sounds good.
That's one of the factory stereos in stereo, huh?
The headliner's really nice too. I'm sure you already talked about
Here's
it.
I did. Here's your fan. So, you're great there. Oil pressure's awesome, 45 pounds. Rev it up right up to 60. Got a seatbelt buzzer. At least it's not detecting your seat there, D.
No, that's crazy that no one's unhooked that. I drove it 5 minutes and I kind of wanted to unhook it already.
There's your...
It was a long time.
Yeah. Wipers work great. Everything works, I think, but the horn. Horn and clock, I guess. But the color on this is what sells me. Yeah.
I got back in from vacation. I walked in. This was one of the first cars I seen, and I'm like, damn, I love them. The red line jumped out to me against this blue.
Yeah.
Warm her up a little bit.
Yeah. Speedometer works perfect. Here's your brakes, D. So the brakes are perfect, no pull left or right. Thank heavens they are, because that was a big truck.
Yeah.
And like you mentioned earlier, though, just the headliner is just excellent, isn't it? Whoever did the restoration on the interior did a fantastic job.
They really did.
Looks like we got one
Van coming.
van coming. The idle's pretty low, and it might need just a little bit of a carb tune. You know what I mean? An accelerator pump or something. But I kind of remember when I drove it the other day, it just had that little dead spot in it until it warmed up.
And that's something we'll take care of in our shop most likely.
4 barrels kick in nice. Great trans, yeah. And a lot of other times, you detail them, power wash them. There she goes.
It's got a lot of pull.
She's running now.
Oh yeah.
Transmission, that was 85 mile an hour, dog.
Nice car.
I mean,
Smooth
just
as
one
hell.
finger on the wheel. Look at that. Kick down at 75, pushes it up to 80, 85, 90.
Wow. We're hauling some serious ass. It doesn't even feel like it though. Just
Because it's 72,000 original mile.
Yeah, tight.
Again, I mean, those are the kind of cars that if you want a classic car, if you get a chance to buy a low mileage car, that's the one you really want.
Yeah.
Because they just drive better than any of the completely restored ones, as far as I've been able to tell.
Yeah, I totally agree with you on that. But guys, this one's for sale. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com.
Let's just go through it one more time.
One more time.
Just to see if it got any better at all. You know what I mean?
Yep, it's warmed up a little bit now. Still not all the way quite warm, but
So it has that little hesitation, but way better.
yeah.
See that?
Yep.
So we'll get that carburetor dialed in, but it frickin' gets right up to speed,
moves.
guys. That's 90 mile an hour right there.
Craziness. Yeah, I love it. But like I said, it's for sale. Check it out on the site. Links down in the comment section of the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're always putting out new inventory. So check it out, and I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.